To turn on background sounds for AirPods 4, first of all you will have to go into the settings and now go into the AirPods 4. Right now you will have to keep scrolling until you find accessibility. And now go for iPhone audio and the visual settings. Then you will have to go into the background sounds, and right here we can set this background sound. So we got balance noise, bright noise, dark noise, ocean, rain, stream, night, and the fire. And now if you want to get this one, you can also, by the way, edit them if you want. And by going here, you can set the fire volume. And also you can play this while using media. So if you are playing some songs and you still can hear some different sounds that you don't want to hear, then you can try to mask them with this sound preset right here, and you can play the sample. Also you can stop sounds when locked. And that's how you can do this. Thanks for watching.